Hello and welcome back to Miss Jessica's Preschool. Well, it's been a while, but we are ready to rock and roll for another day. And this one is going to be all about snow, okay? So let me show you what we're going to do. First, we're always start with circle time, and that's when we sing hello and we wave to our friends and we sing good morning. Then I've got a quick story to tell you about some snowmen. After that, we're going to sing a song about a snowflake. And then let me show you two cool things that you could try at your house. After that, we'll sing the goodbye song. Okay, friends, so let's get started. We're going to start with circle time, so get your hands ready. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, my friends. Good morning to you. Good morning, friends. I'm so happy you came today. All right, and now, after we're done with circle time, Miss Jessica always says a story. Look, that even looks like Miss Jessica, doesn't it? All right, well, here's my story today. It's about 5 little snowmen. Now let me show them to you. Oh my goodness, look at these little snowmen. They all have different color bows on them, don't they? Okay, well, this is how the story goes. 5 little snowmen standing in a row, each with a hat and a colorful bow. The sun came out and shone all day, and the little green snowman melted away. Oh no. So friends, what you can do is you can hold up 5 fingers and the green one melted away. So can you put down 1 finger? And so now, how many do we have left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. We only have 4 snowmen left. Oh, let's see what happens next. 4 little snowmen standing in a row, each with a hat and a colorful bow. The sun came out and shone all day, and the what color is this? Blue snowman melted away. Oh no, so we had 4, but now another one melted away. So put down another finger. And now let's see how many we have left. We'll count them. 1, 2, 3. Oh boy, only 3 snowmen. 3 little snowmen standing in a row, each with a hat and a colorful bow. The sun came out and it shone all day, and the orange little snowman melted away. Oh no. So friends, we had 3, but then another one melted away, the orange one. So put down another finger. And so this is how many we have left. Let's count them. 1, 2. 2 snowmen left. Here we go. 2 little snowmen standing in a row, each with a hat and a colorful bow. The sun came out and shone all day, and the little pink snowman melted away. Oh, so we had 2 and another one melted. So now we just have 1. Oh, and this one what color is that? It's kind of hard to see. Maybe you can see it better in the back. Yellow, you're right. 1 little snowman standing in a row. He had a hat and a colorful bow. The sun came out and it shone all day, and the little yellow snowman melted away. Oh, and so now, friends, we had 1, but he melted away. The yellow one melted away, and so now if you put that one down, none. 0. He has no more snowmen. Oh my goodness, that was fun. We were doing counting and colors. Oh my goodness. Okay, we are all done with the story, friends. So now this one is about a snowflake. The song is about a snowflake, and it's really fun because you get to stand up and move your body. Okay, it goes like this. It's about a snowflake. So of course Miss Jessica has a snowflake. Oh, it's a big snowflake. Snowflake, snowflake, twirl around. Can you stand up and twirl around? Snowflake, snowflake, touch the ground. Touch the ground, friends, bend down. Snowflake, snowflake, land on my nose. Can you touch your nose? Snowflake, snowflake, freeze my toes. Can you touch your toes, friends? Here are Miss Jessica's toes. Oh, touch your toes. Snowflake, snowflake, in the air. Reach up high, up to the air. Snowflake, snowflake, tickle everywhere. Oh, tickle, tickle, tickle. Ah, no tickle. All right. That is a fun one, friends. Yes, snowflakes fall all around. They can land on your nose. Sometimes they tickle. All right. So we're all done with the song. I'm going to take that down. And now, friends, I want to show you two things that you could try at your house. They're pretty fun. And they're all about snow and snowmen or snow ladies. Miss Jessica has a bag and I drew a snowman on it. And then you know what I put inside my bag? This white stuff is just conditioner. It's just the stuff I put in my hair when I take a shower. And some cotton balls. And then Miss Jessica put some other stuff in here, like a hat, a blue hat. And the game is that you have to try and smush it and get it where it needs to go. Okay, so the hat needs to go up here. So I'm going to push the hat that way. And now here's the pink is a scarf. So I'm going to try and use my fingers and push the scarf over here. Oh boy, you know what's down here? It's a button. Let me try and move the button with my fingers over here. This orange thing right here is his nose. The nose is not supposed to be down there. It's supposed to be up here. Let me see if I can push his nose up there. Oh, it's coming together. And so I'm trying to build a snowman, and it's kind of tricky. So maybe you would want to make one of these at your house. Now, the next thing that I want to show you that you can make is snow dough. And what this is, friends, it's real easy. You might have to have somebody at your house, a grown-up, help you. But all it is conditioner again. And I have white, so it really does look like snow. And I mixed it with baking soda. And so when I mixed it all up, it actually looks like snow. And it's kind of cold like snow too. And so you can play with it like Play-Doh and make snowballs, or you could try and build a snowman with it. So it's really fun to do. All right, so those are two things that you could try at your house. So I'm going to take that down, and now we're going to sing the goodbye song, okay? All right, here we go. Now you can do the actions at your house with your hands, just like Miss Jessica's doing with her hands, okay? All right, and it goes like this. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. In an hour, sunflower. Maybe two, kangaroo. Gotta go, buffalo. Adios, hippo. Ciao, ciao, brown cow. See you soon, baboon. Adieu, cockatoo. Better swish, jellyfish. Chop, chop, lollipop. Gotta run, skeleton. Bye, bye, butterfly. Better shake, rattlesnake. Our day now ends, so goodbye, good friends. Bye, friends. We'll see you next time.